Hello. I know I've been busy. I've been away. It's been a long time. So I think 1st of December I started working on my project. Well, it's pretty much all over the table at the moment. Just wanted to catch up with you, give you an update. I've got, well, I nearly finished my project work at the moment, and this is to do with designing a kind of a dual Bluetooth module. I think it's going to be on the market soon. But this basically is mainly, well, I initially designed it for a customer, but then I got authorization to kind of sell it on my own. So I'm actually kind of doing the flashing and uploading at the moment. So it's pretty good, pretty nice really. Got a lot going on. So basically this is the the workbench, as you can see at the moment, going down the line, and just going about to solder up some stuff, just moving some cables. I just flashed one BIOS, I'm just going to flash the other BIOS at the moment and then take it from there. But honestly it's looking really good. So just wanted to catch up with you guys really, just to see how, say hi and how's things, just in case. Hopefully I am back on the Kronos project soon. On the other side, I'm also going to fly out on the 9th. I've got something to do. I've got another thing I'll have to go and install this in Switzerland. So anyway, let's just get back on the thing. So I'm actually on my last few steps to get this all done. So this is basically, now we are looking into moving into production soon. So this is all good. So yeah, so just to really catch up, how's everybody? I hope everybody's fine. Alright, so yeah, that looks all good. Right. I don't mind these, they should be okay. Yeah, we're all connected, so let's just do, if I can flash this up. Now we're going to power up. So connecting. Yeah, looks like we got power. Yeah, this is basically for me testing in here, so I just did some stuff with this PCB. And this yellow cable is actually a little bug, but it doesn't matter. I'll redo this in production anyway. So yeah, this is the first chip, and now we're going to see if we are getting a signal on the CC, and we got a green line, which is really good. So now we're going to flash this up. Yeah, let's just move on to the flashing system, and we got the hex, the BIOS. And by the way, the hex file actually wrote a whole C application to actually do the whole hex file. So I've, if anyone interested, I've actually made a C program. I'll probably publish the source file for it somewhere anyway online, which is to create an Intel HEX file from binary. So let's flash this up. I mean, to be honest with you, I just wanted to also mention, yeah, this is now uploading. I mean, to be honest with you, Texas Instruments, I love you. I absolutely love you, Texas Instruments. Sorry, you're just going to, yeah, this is my number one company, I think, is pretty much Texas Instruments. I adore this company, guys, and I'm not being paid to say this, but honestly, their products are amazing. They really are. And I couldn't have done this without them. Beautiful shipping, fast delivery. Honestly, I'm so pleased. So now everything is working okay, and also I've printed these. And just to let you know, also, I'm not being paid for this, but this is JLC PCB print, which is great, beautiful. Anyway, so now we flashed the whole thing. I'm just gonna go and test it. So I'm just gonna disconnect the programmer, and now I should be able to just. Well, I'm nearly. Well, I'm now finished with the. Let's just disconnect the programming cables and then see how this is gonna work. Yeah, that's good. And taking these two off. Yeah, good. And good. Perfect. Okay. So, oh no, these two needs to go to. These are the power. Come on, out. Yeah, I know. Perfect. Well done. Good. Yeah, it's all good now. So disconnect the USB. Reconnect. Yeah, we're all good. Wonderful. Or in my language, wonderful. So good. This is the device I have. Just going to. Yeah, that's my device here. So you can see it's live, it's functional, and you know, it tastes like chicken. That's a dual ANC system. Basically, it will connect to an iPhone. 1 second. So yeah, this is our delivery. Yeah, this is my device here. I love it. Yeah, I'm just gonna redo something to do the bug fix. But this is something I'm loving, really nice. And I think if I go on my iPhone, I should be able to pick it up now. Well, I will need to program it on the, let's program it on the Mac. Anyway, it's working and I'm fine with it. Let's just see if I don't think it'll show up in here, but we'll see. Yeah, it is showing up here. So this is basically the iPhone. It shows the device nicely. In here, everything looks good. Flashed up fine. So I'm just going to go into AT commands and change all the names and stuff for the Bluetooth one. So that all looks good. Even I actually wrote this BLE4. That's my app as well. I actually wrote it also. So yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's all good. I thought about just sharing a little update with you guys, just to say hi and you know, I know I'm late and it's meant to take 4 to 6 weeks, but I'm actually on the 2nd month now. But yeah, I mean, this is looking good. So here the device is now connecting to my system, and yeah, now we're just loading up my code. So loading it up here, and that all looks good. We're communicating. I'm loving this. I am absolutely loving this. And now, honestly, guys, this is you know really nice. Anyway, so now just going to check if I have access and see what's happening, and it looks like we do. So yeah, just gonna load it up, program it now. So this is the final product. Well, not without the plastics, but this is basically powered up by itself, nothing to connect. This is just using a power. Yeah, so I've got the system. So if I just dial my number, yeah, just started and it picked up the phone, diverted it to the system, and then created a new order, just so when someone calls. So yeah, that's brilliant. Okay, it looks all good. Hopefully, within a few days, I shall hopefully get back to the Chronos bit. So looking forward to that, and have a nice day. Talk to you later.